Okay guys, hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Realme Wi-Fi Smart Camera 360. Alright, so what the first thing which you need to do is in the manual itself there's an app that you need to download. I do recommend you read the product manual once. It gives you tells you exactly what everything is, how to actually attach it, and there is a QR code given for the app which you need to scan. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to open up the camera and I'm going to just scan the QR code, and that will take me to the Play Store where there's the Realme Link app which you can see. So I'll go ahead and install that. Now while that's installing, I will go ahead and power up the camera. So it's a USB charger, as you can see that they've given, and I have a extension cord just off camera. I'm going to plug that in. Now the charging port on the camera, it took me a little while to actually find it. I was searching, I was saying it's not at the back. It's actually located right underneath here. I don't know if you wait, let me see. Can you guys see that? There you are. So that is where the actual charging port is. And what you need to do is you need to take your USB cable and it goes in just like that. Okay, little cumbersome, but once it's in, I mean, since this is going to be mounted, all right, so there you go. And as soon as you power it in, a red light comes on and this is going to start probably making some noise in some time. Anyway, so let's keep the manual aside. Let's go ahead, open the link, the app. Okay, agree. Okay, give it permission. It sets your location, which is India. Allow. Okay, link a device. There we go. Now it'll ask you for an account login, and I've actually gone ahead and created an account. This is the second time I'm doing this, so let me enter my mobile number. And there should be a code which will come. 157672. Okay, go ahead and sign in. There you are. Let me put that down. There you are. So as you can see, I'm now signed in, and I'll go ahead and click link. Now this is under security, so it's there you go. Shows up Realme Smart Cam 360 degrees. Okay, let's click that. Now you do need to connect to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. All right, I'm gonna try to connect to a different network, not this one. So let's try ASG. Make sure the LED indicator blinks red. It's blinking red. So I'll go. Let's see, it's now searching for the network. There you go, it's found the camera. I'll click that. Now I need to connect my phone to the Realme Camera SL in the Wi-Fi settings page. Okay, so we're gonna switch Wi-Fi right now. And it says Realme Camera SL 38B9. So I'm gonna click to connect to the Realme camera now. There we go. So it's now pairing the device. It says connecting to network. The light is actually glowing blue now, if you can see this light. And it's asking me to name the device. So I'm just going to leave it as Realme Smart Cam for now. It's actually rotating. It should actually be standing like that. Share the device with your family and friends. I'm not going to share this, but if you want to, you could share this device with your friends and family. I'll skip this step for now. There's a legal statement. I'll click allow. It's asking for a firmware update, so I shall update that later. And there you go. So that's what it's seeing right now, which is actually the box which is on the table. And there you have it. Now you can actually take control of this. So if I press that, it'll rotate all the way. You can see the conference room where we're shooting this video, and you can actually see me. That's me right there. You can actually tilt up. There you are. That's me. Hello. Tilt down, and that's the phone in which I'm using to actually control this device. So there you are, folks. That was how you set up your Realme Smart Cam 360 degrees, and how you actually set it up and get it to happen, to download the app, and how you get it to appear on your phone. We do hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.